It's 25th of April 2026. I'm in the car and about to start the day's shift. The engine is running, my mileage is on 0, battery is on 91%, and I'm online waiting for that first trip of the day. Sit tight and let's ride together. Hi, welcome to Ride Also, the channel where we dive right behind the wheel of an Uber driver here in London. If you are new here, welcome. I'm your host, Bola. First trip of the day. Now, that's 2 miles away. For me, anything above 2 miles away is a no, no, no. Except when I'm on destination mode, which means I'm heading towards my home direction, then I can just do that. Next trip, heading towards my first pickup of the day. Come with me, let's go. That's for you, Moses, yes?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Good.
Let's go. I'm very well, sir. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good, my day is good.
Yeah.
Stop me.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye. That's first trip of the day completed. It was a long one, actually, with a distance of 14.39. Took me 1 hour 17 minutes and earned 39 pounds 53 pence, and got £5 tip. Sweet. Moving on to the next one, trip number 2. Let's get it done.
That's fine, I'll put it here.
Sorry?
I'll put it there.
No, I'm sorry.
Just here.
Just here's good.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
No worries. My hand. Oh, you be fine?
Oh, thank you. Okay.
That's trip number 2 completed. It was a distance of 1.5 miles. Took me 16 minutes and earned £11.45 and earned £11.41 pence. Moving on to the next one, trip number 3. Let's go there. Let's get it done. Hello.
Hi.
Are you all right?
Good. How are you?
All right, thank you. Good. That's Omar, yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you. Let's go. Let me know when it's good.
Yeah.
Oh, here's good, sir.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you. No
You
worries.
come out, you know, for
Yeah.
seriously.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right. That's trip number 3 completed. It was a distance of 4.04 miles. Took me 29 minutes and earned £24.82 pence. Again, on this trip, I got a tip of how much was it again? £2.22 pence. Tip of £2.22 pence. Moving on to the next one, trip number 4. Let's get it done. Quick roundup. I have so far completed 3 trips, and total earnings as at now is £75.76 pence plus £7.22p tips. Moving on to the next one, trip number 4. Let's get it done. Hello.
All right.
Is that
Thank you
Martin?
for waiting.
No worries at all.
Hello.
Hello, hi. Thank you. Martin, yeah?
Yes, please.
Thank you. No worries. Thank you. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you,
No
mate.
worries. Watch out.
Have a good evening.
Yeah, I think you're good, yeah. Thank you, guys.
Just a little bit of
What?
Take care, mate.
Cheers, man. Bye-bye. Right. That's trip number 4 completed. It was a distance of 13.88 miles. Took me 1 hour, 32 minutes and earned £42 and 3 pence. That was a long one and a good one as well. Moving on to the next one, trip number 5. Let's get it on. Let's go there. Let's get it. That's trip number 5 completed. It was a distance of 12.16 miles. Took me 40 minutes and earned £19 46 pence. Moving on to the next one, trip number 6. Let's go there. Let's get it done. Hello. I didn't realize it was you. I saw someone trying to run across. Hammered, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, that's good. That's good. Thanks.
Okay, no problem.
Sorry about that. All right, thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you, brother.
Cheers. That's trip number 6 completed. It was a distance of 1.03. Took me 6 minutes and earned £5 20 pence. Now let's do a quick update. So far, I have completed 6 trips and total earnings at the moment is £142 45 pence. We're moving on to the next one, trip number 7. Let's get it done. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, just
Thank you very much, bro.
thank you.
Thank you. Cheers.
Take care.
Bye. That's trip number 7 completed. It was a distance of 1.50. Took me 7 minutes and earned £4 79 pence. Moving on to the next one, trip number 8. Let's get it done. Thank you. Are we good? All right. Thank you very much.
And you, I'll give you a nice review.
No problem. Cheers. Thank you.
Enjoy your
Cheers.
night.
Bye. That's trip number 9 completed. It was a distance of 2.71 mile. Took me 10 minutes and earned £10 44 pence. A short and a quick update. So far, I have completed 9 trips and we are currently on £164 78 pence. And that last trip, I also got £2 tip.
Hi, mate.
Hello, hi.
One second.
Everything, yeah?
Yeah.
Take your time, no worries.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
See you. This, that.
That's trip number 10 completed. It was a distance of 8.57. Took me 38 minutes and earned £20 31 pence. Right. I want to pause for a moment to talk about tips in general. I think today is my lucky day, I would say, because I got £9 22 pence for tip. This is very unusual. You know, I don't usually get tipped by customers. And the last time I got one would be about a month ago, which was £5. But for some reason today, I got a total of £9 22 pence. I began to wonder what's going wrong? Because I know for sure there are drivers out there that get a lot of trips. In fact, I watched a YouTube video recently, although that is an American YouTuber. He earns about $100 on a regular basis. And for me, that is not the case. So if you are an Uber driver and you regularly get tipped by riders, please, what is the secret? Let me know in the comments below. I've been driving for about 6 hours now or thereabout. It's time for a quick break. As usual, I have my sandwich in my bag. I'm going to look for a safe place to park, a quiet and safe place to park so I can enjoy my dinner. Okay? See you after the break. After that short break, I returned to work and completed 6 additional trips back to back. So, as it stands, I have completed 15 trips and on £235, 93 pence. Hello? You have a luggage?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, no, it's just a bag. It's fine.
Oh, okay. That's fine. Come in, please.
Thank you.
No worries. Very much.
Thank you.
No worries. Good night. Cheers. That's trip number 16 completed. It was a distance of 1.05 mile. Took me 4 minutes and earned £6.23 pence. Moving on to the next one, trip number 17. Let's get it done. Hello, sir.
Hello.
How are you? All right?
I'm fine. I'm on the, okay, good morning.
Good morning, sir. Yeah, it's morning, no?
I'm telling you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Bye.
Bye. That's trip number 17 completed. It was a distance of 3.52 miles. Took me 17 minutes and earned £10.44 pence. Moving on to the next one, trip number 18. Let's get it done.
Thank you.
No worries. Thank you. Yeah, let's see how. That is my last trip of the day, trip number 18. It was a distance of 7.64, took me 25 minutes and earned £16.39 pence. That is me done for another day. The next is to go to my nearest charge station to get the car charged, get ready for tomorrow. Okay, let's go there. Charging point. Now, let's do the breakdown for the day. Online time, 11 hours, 5 minutes. Driving time, 8 hours, 46 minutes. Trips, 18 trips altogether. EV charge, £15.61 pence. Total tips for the day, £9.22 pence. Mileage, 128 miles driven. Total earnings, £268.99 pence. This concludes today's breakdown. If you found this episode useful, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, drive safe, stay smart, and I shall see you in the next episode.